Before entering the waterfall, you must complete the two-step Mandarin ritual.
拖鞋, take off your shoes. Then, put on your 拖鞋. Yes, they sound exactly the same. 拖鞋 and 拖鞋. Now let's go! Hanakapiai Falls is located on the northwest side of Kauai Island, Hawaii. It took me 4 hours to complete this 8-mile hike, but it was totally worth it. No signal, no distractions. Highly recommend if you would like to unplug and recharge. Leave a comment if you want to come with me next time.